How to change Gmail address. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily change your Gmail address. So first thing, simply head over to your Play Store, and once you're inside here, just click on your profile icon and just click on this settings. As you can see, simply click on settings. So once you're inside here, you'll see option called general. Just enlarge it, and under the second option you can see there's account and device preference, so simply click on it. So from over here you will see the option called change contact email. So all you have to basically do is just click on this and change it accordingly. So let's say I want to change this like this, and once you do that, you can also change any other name as well and click on save. So once you click on save, they will verify your Gmail and you will have to enter your inbox from your Gmail just like this, and they will send a verification code to confirm that it is you who have asked for the Gmail change under your email. So that is it for today guys. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.